Hey everyone, and welcome back to Breaking Barriers with the Barkers. It's Austin and Danielle back again with another finance video for you.
I know we have been doing a lot of these finance videos lately, but it's cold and we're stuck at home, so hopefully as soon as springtime comes, then we'll be out making more travel vlogs for you.
Until then.
Yeah, but speaking of seasons, tax season's right around the corner, and we have 6 tips for you of what you should be doing with that moolah to make sure that you're getting ahead financially.
First up, put it in a retirement account. A 401k, Roth IRA, traditional IRA, any of these would be good because they are known as tax advantaged accounts. You don't pay any kind of taxes on any interest or any kind of money you make on it until you actually cash it out.
Plus, that money in your 401k can earn you interest just by sitting there. It really depends on how your funds are allocated in your 401k, but on average, they will have an interest rate return of 3 to 8% annually.
Hey, save some of that sexy interest talk for the next video, right?
All right. Sorry, guys. Okay, second, you need to pay off those high interest credit cards. By doing this, you're going to help get yourself out of debt as well as preventing them from adding large monthly chunks of interest. And the faster that you can pay off your debt, the less interest you will end up having to pay.
Interest is your best friend when it comes to investing, but it's the devil when it comes to debt. 3, add to your emergency fund. This is such a power move when it comes to having peace of mind, knowing that you have money put back for any kind of issues. So experts say have 3 to 6 months of your pay saved back in your emergency fund.
Yeah, so let's do some quick math. If, say for instance, you make $2,000 a month and you're shooting for 3 months of savings, well then 2,000 times 3 is $6,000 that you should have in your saving account for an emergency. Or if you want to go on the higher end of the spectrum, then you should have 6 months worth, which would end up being $12,000 saved.
If 2020 taught us anything, it is that anything can happen. You never know what's around the corner. God forbid that you lose your job or, I don't know, maybe a pandemic happens. You need to make sure that your finances and your butt are covered.
All right, 4, use part of that tax return to make a big ticket purchase or at least give you a jump start on a big down payment. So for instance, if you're needing a new car or you're wanting to buy a house, the larger the down payment that you can put down, the smaller the interest rate that you can lock in for.
The reason behind that is because when you put more money down, lenders believe that you are less risky because you'll have more in stake in the property. 5, buy some stocks. Apple, Tesla, Google, Amazon. Find something that's good for you and invest for a good return.
So obviously we always tell you to do your own research, but a good rule of thumb is if you're looking to start investing, then find a company that you personally trust and that you feel like is a good fit for you. And lastly, number 6 is invest in yourself, meaning buy courses or start furthering your education. It could be things for finances, for health, or just furthering your knowledge in the profession that you're in.
In many cases, if you can take courses online to further your profession's knowledge, that can equal higher pay. So these are just 6 things that you can do with your tax refund. Everybody has different finances and everyone has different situations. But if you follow any of these tips, even just one of these tips, it will help to get you in a better place financially.
Now, I know we're always talking about creating wealth from your investments that have a good return rate as well as time invested. However, the first step to being able to do any of that is paying off your debt. And then using that new cash flow, meaning all that money you were paying to the credit card companies, to start using that as the building blocks for your finances.
Make sure you do your homework and your research. And if you like this video, be sure to leave us a thumbs up and let us know how good we did.
Also, be sure to comment below with any content that you would like to see from us, and hit that subscribe button so that you never miss a video from our quirky selves. Also, tune in next time for a big announcement coming from the channel.
Until next time, on Breaking Barriers with the Barkers.
We're always talking about creating wealth with a good return rate and
to further your profession's education, your knowledge. Okay, right?
Oh, yeah.
In many cases, you can take courses to further your profession's knowledge, and that means or equals more pay. What can I say this for?
I don't know, but like it was painful for you to say. Alright, number 4. Use part of your tax return.
Which one?
So for instance, if you're needing a new car or you're looking to buy a home,
Bye.
Okay. Alright, I'm gonna try that all again.